Twinkl here, and today I'll be explaining how you can use our Florence Nightingale lesson packs on our website. Florence Nightingale shaped the way in which nurses are trained today. After she returned from the war, she built her own school for nurses so that she could pass on her standards to people that were training. By using the lesson packs on our website, children will be reinforcing all the information they have learnt about Florence Nightingale. They'll be practicing some letter writing, some non-chronological writing, and even some information text. On our website you'll find the individual lesson plans, but you can also download the unit pack which contains all of the lessons. Per unit there are generally 2 to 4 lessons. Lesson 1 will introduce the style of writing that you're going to be looking at. You can download all the resources in one go, but this will take a little while, so just be patient. In the lesson pack you'll find a full lesson plan to guide you through the lesson. You'll also find a PowerPoint which will contain all the information the children will need to complete the activity for the lesson. You'll find a success criteria and a checklist so children know they're containing everything they need to in the work that they complete. There will also be a teacher's overview so you know exactly what the children will need to achieve by the end of the lesson. There will also be activities to complete which will be differentiated and made clear by the stars in the corner. They will either have 1 star, 2 star or 3 stars for the most difficult activity. The information text lesson pack will introduce the children to Florence Nightingale and provide basic information such as where she grew up, where she died, and why she is so famous. Your children can test their knowledge at the end of the first lesson using Who Was This Florence Nightingale resource. There are questions on there that they'll need to answer. They could then cut the cards out and use them to test themselves. By lesson 4, your children will be able to test their knowledge of Florence Nightingale, and they'll also be able to test their skills of information text writing. Your children could even apply their knowledge of Florence Nightingale to the letter writing lesson pack. By the end of lesson 1, children will be familiar with hospital-related vocabulary, which they'll transfer across the next 2 lessons. By lesson 3, your children will be demonstrating their letter writing skills. They'll be writing a letter pretending that they're a soldier in the war. They could also have their checklist next to them to make sure they're including all the important points. We have loads more lesson packs on our website covering a variety of topics, so I'm sure that we've got something to suit every need. Just go and take a look. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.